keyboard replacement, and deep cleaning on Lenovo Flex 3 to 11 laptop. Thank you, Sir Antonio, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Opting for both a keyboard replacement and deep cleaning on your laptop is a wise choice for several important reasons. Replacing a faulty or worn-out keyboard restores optimal functionality, ensuring a smooth typing experience, while deep cleaning removes dust, dirt, and debris from internal components, preventing overheating and performance issues. This combination enhances your laptop's overall performance by maintaining its cooling system, which is essential for efficient operation. Regular maintenance, including keyboard replacement and deep cleaning, also extends the lifespan of your laptop, helping it run efficiently and reducing the likelihood of future malfunctions. By taking care of these tasks, you prevent potential problems down the road, avoiding costly repairs, and keeping your device in top shape. A clean, responsive keyboard paired with a well-maintained laptop ensures a more comfortable and efficient user experience, whether you're working, gaming, or browsing. Professional service guarantees that both the keyboard replacement and deep cleaning are performed correctly, using the right tools and techniques to ensure lasting results. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Keyboard replacement and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your keyboard replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.